Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of 7 chakra activation therapy with colored quartz. If you're looking to balance your energy, enhance your well being, and connect with your spiritual self, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through everything you need to know to start your journey with chakra activation therapy. So, grab your crystals, set your intentions, and let's begin this transformative journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Quartz and crystals are successfully used to balance your energy field. The quartz and crystals used for these purposes come in a wide variety of colors and types. The shape of the crystals also influences their potential and applications. Did you know that there is a quartz to activate each of the chakras? Did you know that we are not just a physical body? We have several energetic bodies that surround us called aura. The aura is connected to a vertical flow that goes from the crown of your head to the base of your spine. This energy current is regulated by whirlpools called chakras. They function as valves that absorb energy from the universal vital energy field. The 7 main chakras are located from the base of the spine up to the top of the head. Each one is associated with an endocrine gland in the physical body, balancing our material, spiritual, and mental life. When these chakras are open, they allow the energy to flow naturally. When blocked, something in your life or health becomes stuck. Why? Because each chakra connects to a layer or level of your energy field. Each layer of the aura that surrounds us has its function and is related to a chakra. Balancing the chakras with quartz and crystals is a simple way to align your energy to purify your aura. Choose a quartz or crystal of the same color as the chakra you need to align, and proceed as mentioned below. Keep in mind that, as with everything, this is not definitive. Some people use crystals differently and it works just as well for them. Remember, your intention is the most important, much more than the crystal you use. Using crystals for self-healing is an easy-to-use and extremely valuable tool. Quartz and crystals are charged with powerful vibrations to help relieve worries, generate protection, stimulate the chakras, improve your intuition, and much more. Quartz and energy stones have always been used in healing rituals. Each crystal has its geometric pattern that mimics those found in nature and in our body. When a charged quartz is placed on the body, the energy vibrations or the body's frequency tune with the crystal, helping to stimulate healing. It's important to know that although energized crystals are excellent tools for these treatments, you must understand that you are the one who truly heals, not the stone. Your intention charges the quartz with energy and vibration. You should not give your power to any stone or anyone. Now, we are going to program Q Crystal. Hold your quartz between your hands, calm your mind, and connect with higher energy. Imagine a bright light coming down from the center of the galaxy and entering through the top of your head into the crown chakra to reach your hands. Offer your intention. For example, I program this quartz to stimulate the healing of. And here, you state what you need. Remember to be as specific as possible. To align chakras with crystals, lie down in a comfortable position, either face up or face down. Place the quartz on each of the energy centers. There are two ways to do this. You can start with one quartz placed at a time, or use 7 stones to cover all the main energy centers simultaneously. Remain in a relaxed state, visualizing the chakras' energy gently spinning from the spine to the energy body. Leave them for 15 minutes. Feel the energy pulsing within the chakra, removing all blockages, releasing all tensions, and letting go of everything that is no longer needed. If you wish, you can meditate to increase the benefits received during the session, always visualizing the flow of energy during the treatment. The selection of crystals may vary depending on each person's sensitivity. Some stones, like crystal quartz, can be used to balance various chakras. If you don't have any quartz yet, you can read in the blog to choose the ones that resonate best with you. What is the difference between cleaning and charging a quartz? You should know that these stones absorb and transmute energies. Cleaning a stone dissociates it from its past vibrations. Take time to clean your quartz and stones to free them from any accumulated energy, restoring their original vibration. I usually do this at least once a month or more, often if I have used them excessively. When a quartz has been in a store, people have touched it, transported it, and it has been exposed on a shelf, collecting dust and various energies. If you have used it several times, you should clean it energetically and physically. I explained this in another post. Cleaning aims to tune the quartz with our own energies. Charging a quartz or another tool means transmitting our intention to it so that its energies are aligned with a specific purpose. Or simply, you can imbue it with positive energy. This requires generating some energy and directing it toward the stone. Once again, the method you choose will largely depend on your preferences. Here are some examples. Exposing to sunlight or moonlight. Quartz and stones can be charged using the rays of the sun or moon. Both are very energizing. This method can also be used to clean your crystals of negative energy. Expose your crystal in direct light from the moon or sun. It can be in a window or on a balcony. Note that some crystals, like amethyst, can lose their color with the sun. The moonlight method works very well with all stones and crystals. Place your crystals in the moonlight to enhance your intentions. During a full moon, when you need to indicate that something is over, and during a new moon for new beginnings. You can charge crystals with other stones, as some stones are naturally charged, such as selenite. You can place your quartz on an energy crystal for a day, or Sevra L to purify and recharge its energy. Another way is to use smaller pieces of cleansing crystals, for example, small selenites in a circle, to surround the crystal, placing it inside the circle. This is particularly beneficial for yellow, orange, red, gray, and white stones. You can also use a natural selenite charging plate or ball, which is a square plate where other stones are placed. Another method is to charge in nature by placing your quartz in a healthy garden or in a pot with lots of fresh, healthy leaves. Leave it to charge for 24 hours. This is beneficial for light-colored stones, green, white, orange, yellow, or pink. The grounding method is to bury the stone or quartz in the ground for 24 hours. You can leave it for up to a week. The time will depend on the energy you need to infuse. This is especially beneficial for earth-colored stones, dark, black, green, brown, intense red, and gray. Tibetan bowls and Reiki can also help charge crystals with positive energy. Simply practice Reiki on your crystal or create a sound bath using Tibetan bowls or gongs. This is ideal for blue, purple, pink, and white stones. Dancing, singing, and meditating increases your energy. Then, direct and pour it into the quartz with a powerful visualization of your intention. Is it necessary to charge all quartz? When to do it? Charging stones is not always necessary. For example, I would not charge all my stones, only those I wear as jewelry. For the rest, you can simply clean them. If I wanted to use it as an amulet or talisman, I would charge it. Always remember to set your intention, open your mind and heart to receive its vibration. Give thanks to your crystalline and universal energy. Blessed be. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.